Hundreds of psychological researches have shown that we tend to exaggerate the significance of events that are easy to recall while underestimating the significance of situations that are difficult to recall. This mental blunder is known as an illusory correlation by psychologists. In this article, we'll go through a simple approach for identifying hidden assumptions and avoiding making an erroneous correlation.
The Sun is a massive gaseous ball. It measures 1,392,000 kilometers in diameter. It's so big that millions of planets could fit inside. Hydrogen and helium gas make up the majority of the Sun's composition. The photosphere is the name given to the Sun's surface. The chromospheres are a thin layer of gas that surrounds the photosphere. There would be no life on Earth if the Sun did not exist. Plants, animals, and humans would all be extinct. The Sun provides energy to all living creatures on Earth, allowing them to survive.
There are many reasons why water tastes stale when it is kept for a long time. Microorganisms play a big role in this phenomenon. When they grow, they release chemicals into the water from their metabolic activity. This evaporates over time, so the absence of it from water left out for a long period brings about a change in taste.
A street beggar can be found at bus stops, train stations, religious sites, and markets, among other places. Some of the beggars are crippled, lame, or blind. They are unable to support themselves. Others, on the other hand, are in good health and do not deserve our pity. We should encourage them to pursue a career. They must not be let to beg. Every day on my walk to school, I pass a beggar. He is dressed in tatters. He is partially deaf. I feel sorry for him when I see him, but I can't help myself. All I can do is pray to God to help him earn a living.
Selecting decisions is exactly what it sounds like, the act or process of making choices. We make logical decisions on occasion, but we also make emotional, irrational, and perplexing ones on a regular basis. This website explains why we make bad decisions and offers frameworks to help you improve your decision-making skills.
A snake charmer is a person who travels the streets of the Yamuna River's banks with various species of snakes. In his basket, he has snakes. He moves from place to place, demonstrating numerous snakes and their skills. He has a pipe that he uses to play music, and snakes dance to his beat. He frequently wears a brightly colored outfit. A snake charmer's job is extremely risky. Some snakes are quite deadly and may bite him. Getting them and training them for the shows is not a simple feat.
India is mostly a farming country. The majority of the population lives in villages and works as a farmer. Cereals, legumes, vegetables, and fruits are grown there. Farmers have a difficult life. They go to the fields first thing in the morning. They work on the farm late into the evening. Kushcha homes are commonly used by farmers. Despite their efforts, they remain impoverished. Farmers consume simple foods, dress simply, and raise livestock such as cows, buffaloes, and oxen. We wouldn't be able to eat cereal if they didn't exist. They play a vital part in a country's growth and economy.
Learning mental models is the most effective technique to improve your decision-making abilities. A mental model is a framework or hypothesis that explains why things work the way they do in the world. Each mental model is a concept that helps us make sense of the world and provides a perspective on life's challenges.
A doctor is someone who cares after sick individuals and prescribes medications to help them recover quickly. A person must study medicine in order to become a doctor. Doctors have a difficult job. Their schedule is really hectic. They go to the hospital first thing in the morning. They don't take any breaks while they work. They always maintain a pleasant manner in order for patients to feel at ease with them. We must recognize the value of doctors since they work so hard.
The Sun, Moon, and planets make up the solar system. Comets, meteoroids, and asteroids make up the rest of the solar system. The Sun is the most massive object in the solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto, the dwarf planet, are the planets in order of distance from the Sun. Planets, asteroids, comets, and meteoroids orbit around the Sun, which lies at the center of the solar system.